Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you the difference between no content books versus low content books. There are many newbies in the world of KDP low content and no content books that actually don't know the difference between these two. What is no content book and what is low content book, they don't know. So in this video I am going to show the difference with the help of examples. Firstly, I will show you some examples here for names of no content books, then some names of low content books, and then also tell you in the end of this video which one is best to publish. And also I will show you the examples of those books as well in this video by actually going to the Amazon and checking out some books. So stick around, and if you are new to my channel then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. What is no content? What are no content books? So here are examples of no content books. No content books are the books which don't have any text or writing. There is no writing or no text in these books. So what are the examples? For example, let me bold this one. This is not normal text. Heading 3. So first one is blank lined journal. So to better understand this, we will have a look at Amazon page. So what is the blank line journal? So this is the blank line journal. You can see there is no text here. These are the simple lines. So blank line journal or line journal or notebook is a no content book. Number 2 is sketchbooks. Sketchbooks are drawing pad notebook. Sorry. So these are another example of no content books. So have a look. This is the sketchbook. You can see here the title sketchbook 8.5x11, and you can see here the sample page is totally blank page, and there is an outline or box to because Amazon doesn't allow to publish totally blank pages. That's why they get a way around that and put a box or lines. So this is the second example of no content book, that is sketchbook. The third one is blank storybook books. What is the blank story books? This is the comic books. You can also call the comic books for children. So there is no text, only the shapes. Children can draw something funny here and write about it. So this is another example of this was not storybook, it was comic books. And the last one is blank storybook. This is the blank storybook. Dinosaur Primary Journal .gao. And you can see here there is no text, only this is the line, dotted line toward the top and toward the bottom. These are the lines, and here a child can place a picture and write about it. This is another example of no content books, that is blank story books. So these are some examples of no content books. So now you have a better idea of understanding what is the no content book. Any book that doesn't have any sort of text or writing on it, it is called as no content books. So now let's check out our second category, and that is low content books. Now what are low content books? So low content books are books that have some sort of text or writing. So for example, the low content book can be any planners. Like firstly I will write here and then I will go to show you the examples. planners, writing prompts, journals, gratitude journals, and food and fitness planners. There can also be logbooks. So let's have a look at examples of these books at Amazon. So first one is, this is meal planner. This is also an example of low content book, weekly meal planner. So let's check out its inside. You can see here there is text Monday, Tuesday, and also another text, breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, shopping list, and meal planner for a week off. Though you can see here there are some sort of text or writing in it, and user need to input according to this journal to write as per instructions here. Breakfast, lunch, shopping list. These are actually 2 pages, and it is these pages are being repeated. First one is the days of the week, and the second one is noting down the breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, and the shopping list. So this is the first example of low content books, meal planner. The second one is food and fitness journal, that is Hello New Me. This is the food and fitness journal, my journal on my way to a new better. So let's have a look. You can see here there is text. This is the 90 days food and fitness journal. You can see here it has writing and some sort of content in it. We cannot see other pages of this book. So this is second example of low content books. The third one is gratitude journal. You can have a look at inside. This is not blank, it has text, it has so this is why it is known as low content books. You can see here, I am thankful for, I am thankful for, I am thankful for day, and next is this is only I am thankful for simple gratitude journal, and it also has quotes and text and date, place for entering date, and this is another example of low content books. The fourth one is mindfulness journal. So let's have a look if it shows the interior. Yes, it do. So you can see here there is also text in it, and this is why we also call it a low content book, and it seems to be a heavy content book, but it can also be a low content book as well. You can also have a look on some sort of logbook like mileage logbook for taxes for business, and we will have a look inside to see. This is the sponsored ad, and this is also sponsored ad. This one is mileage for taxes, and let's see if it allows us to see inside, look inside and have a look. You can see there is text, so it is also falls under the category of low content books. Coloring books are another examples of low content books. What coloring books also fall under the category of low content books, because every page is different than the previous one, and it also has some content that user actually use it to color. So these are the examples of no and low content books, and the main question is which one is better. So if you are just starting, then you should create no content books. To learn the process, you should start with blank line journal and sketchbooks. Then you can publish comic books, blank story books, and then you can move on to creating some sort of logbooks, planners, writing from journals, gratitude journal, food and fitness journal. When you have learned the process of creating titles, creating good covers, and writing better description, then you should move on toward the low content books, because these sell much more than no content books. No content books do sell, but in my experience, and many other people also show their results, which directly show that low content books are selling well as compared to no content books, especially during this pandemic situations that started from Feb or March. Low content books have start very low sales, and the no content books have very low sales, but low content book sales have increased to a great extent. So you first learn the process by publishing these books, then you should move on to these low content books, so that you can maximize on your profits and your efforts. So this is the video about the difference between no content and low content books. Now as a beginner, you have a good idea of what the no content books mean and what low content books mean. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and do subscribe if you are new, and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I am signing off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.